Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I want to talk to you about this hose by Guitrees. So this is their 100-foot hose, and it is the most awesome thing. We just moved here, and for the first time we had to take care of a big yard. This thing can go so far. It swivels, so that means it increases its range even more. So it was relatively easy to install. We had it up within a few minutes, and just make sure you are using the correct anchors for whatever material you're drilling into. Then you just plug it in like a regular hose and you are ready to go. This thing is so easy to pull. Even my 4-year-old can do it. Watch. One of my favorite features is its self-layering mechanism, so you don't have to worry about rolling it back up. You can lock it. And then once you unlock it, it retracts. This hose head is pretty awesome. It has 9 different functions. My personal favorite is the rinser. These are other settings as well. They have some nice ones for kids to run around in, like this one. And there's the rinser again. This is the perfect hose for a family. I am very happy with this hose, and that's my point of view.